I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a
right into the gap.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a
Hi everyone, it's Mariana. So today there's a heat wave in Ireland, which means it's like 80 something degrees Fahrenheit. So me and Theo and his sister and her boyfriend are gonna take a quick road trip up to the north coast, which is how far?
Port Norris Drive.
And we're gonna go to the beach. And I'm really excited about this beach because apparently you can drive your car on and it's gonna be super fun. And I honestly didn't even know you guys had beaches in the first place because I thought it was all rock. So it's a great day. Also, I tried fake tanning with Theo's sister last night, so just don't want to talk about it.
homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road. Gotta hit the road.
So first, we're running to a Spar to get some food. We haven't had breakfast yet. Theo got a sandwich. I also got a sandwich and some fruit. They probably want to eat that.
Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
This is so weird. Okay, we just got to the beach. You're like doing your stuff. Theo drove his car on and then it got stuck. Then we got some help and now we're here with the trunk open and it's amazing. And we might rent a boogie board, which would be so fun.
Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
Right into the gap.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
Oh, I got a serious situation.
We got two in the front, two in the back,
Your booty popping shot.
sailing along, and we don't look back.
Yeah, survive.
Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun.
Okay, so we're thinking about walking and getting fish and chips pretty soon for a dinner because it's like 3 p.m.
1 hour later.
So we ended up not being able to find any fish and chips, so now we are just gonna leave the beach and get some on our way home. I'm really ready to leave.
You're ready to leave a while ago.
It's
Don't care what it costs.
Air profession
No
test.
ray of sunlight's ever So tired of sleeping alone, so tired of eating alone. I need to ask her, what's going on? Are we going strong?
Thank you so much. Thanks.
She felt like resting her head. My shoulder was the perfect height. We fit so right. So what's going on? Cause I've been undone. The long drive, the coastline, looking at the first light. Am I still in her mind? I've been undone. Saturday sun, I met someone out on the west coast. I gotta get back.
Okay, so now we're back home. Felt like a really long drive even though it was only an hour. and I need to get a shower immediately. I can just feel the sand on my feet. It's like really bothering me. And then we're gonna set up our tent in the backyard because we're going backyard camping tonight, which will probably be its own video. Definitely gonna fall asleep early tonight. I'm dying. So if you liked watching us go to the beach and you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to keep up with my future videos here in Ireland, including the camping in the backyard video for tonight, then make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I read. She left her books in my bed and her song in my head. I've been undone. Oh, Saturday sun. I met someone out on the West Coast. I gotta get back.
That was a hard landing.
Saturday sun. I met someone, don't care what it costs.